Here you will learn how to work double crochet and foundation chain at the same time without the traditional chain stitches. No chains, no stress. The bottom edge is stretchy clean and will look identical to every row that follows. No more counting chains, no more guessing if you have enough. When you are working flat rows, foundation double crochet is the best way to start. Your foundation and your first row work at the same time, and you simply stop when you reach the length you need. And the best part, the width at the beginning of your work and the width at the end identical. For this project I'm going to use 2 strands of yarn, and I will work stitches by applying 4 plies yarn twice. To start, we will need to create a slip knot. Make sure your first loop is not too tight because you will have to insert hook into it after. Next, we will have to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Next, yarn over, insert hook into the first loop, but you will have to make sure that you have 2 loops over the hook and 1 loop under the hook, and pull up a loop. Next, if you look here, you have to have your loops all the same height. If this loops like that, then it's wrong. You have to stretch it to make sure it's not too tight. It's quite important. You can't tie this loop. I think the best practice would be if you have your work horizontally and you try to keep your hook as well horizontally. If your work leans or hook leans, therefore the foundation chain that we work as we go will be too tight. And this one is always your last loop on the hook will look loose. Next, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Our first double. Next, yarn over, and now if you look here, you turn and you can see here you kind of your first chain. We're going to insert under both loops. Can you see? Yarn over, pull up a loop, again stretch, yarn over, pull up through 1, yarn over, pull up through 2, yarn over, pull up through 2. Once again, yarn over, turn again. Now you can see you have 1, 2 under the second one. Again, you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook. Now we're going to, this is our chain 1, or pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Once again, yarn over, again turn. Now you can have 1, 2, 3 under the third one, pull up a loop, stretch, 1, 2, and 2. Yarn over, again under the next chain, pull up a loop, stretch, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. If you look here, we are forming double crochet stitches and foundation chain under. Therefore, it's quite important when you have your yarn over under both loops, when you pull 1, this is quite important, your hook, your stitch, you can't tie that, it has to be stretched. You can see it's much longer. You kind of have your work vertically and have your hook as well horizontally, and you kind of stretch all the stitches. All the stitches are on the hook the same length. If your hook leans this way, that means your last loop on the hook is too tight. This will create the issue of your final finish, and your foundation chain will be too tight. To maintain the same width of your fabric and the chain, you always have to remember, when you pull up your first loop, you have to stretch. This way you achieve a beautiful start of your work. Again, pull through one, pull through two, pull through two. Once again, yarn over, under both loops, pull up a loop, stretch, yarn over, pull through one, pull through two, pull through two, yarn over, under both loops, pull up a loop, stretch, pull through one, pull through two, pull through two. It is very easy to make a mistake, because when you pull up your first loop, you automatically would like to work pull through two, pull through two. The easiest way to just have your numbers in a hat, when you pull up your first loop, you yarn over, you count one, and after two and two. It's kind of, you have this pattern, 1 2 2, pull through one, pull through two, pull through two, pull up a loop, pull through one, pull through two, pull through two. Now you mastered the foundation double crochet magic. It is time to start something beautiful.